Look, my bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. 10 different looks, and my lips so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's still on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets.
Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mika TV, and I'm back with another banger. In this video, I'm basically here to show you guys how to do your eyebrows. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and check out some other videos that I post. But before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that everybody's eyebrows are not the same. Everybody not going to do their eyebrows the same. So I don't want you guys coming on here thinking that, oh, so-and-so did their eyebrows this way and I'm doing it wrong. No. Everybody do their eyebrows differently. So I just want to let you guys know that, just for a heads up. But I'm not going to talk no more into the video. I'm going to get straight into action.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So I'll be using this eyebrow pencil. It's a brown eyebrow pencil. I got this from my local dollar store. You guys can do the same thing. But I'm first going to use this spoolie and just shape out my eyebrows.
Really, nigga?
Jeez! Jesus Christ.
I know you probably like, what the fuck going on with the eyebrows? But listen, let them be thick first. For the beginners, let them be thick first. So you guys can, how should I say it?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I forgot what word to use, but just hang tight with me. But let your eyebrows be thick first so you guys can shape them out into how you want it. So I basically was just going straight. I can't really explain it, but going straight, and then I made it curve down. So I'll just continue watching. You guys gonna see what I'm talking about further on in the video. This is what I'm talking about. See how they both are thick? Yeah, it's not gonna be like that. I just let them, to me, that's how I got used to doing my own eyebrows. I let them be thick first. Like, I drew them on thick, just so when I put my concealer on it, it would, you guys will see what I'm talking about further on in the video. Let them be thick, just so you can use your contour and your pencil to even it out and smoothen it out. And this is exactly why I say leave them thick so you guys can shape them how you guys want them. And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my video. Stay tuned for the next video that I upload. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because why wouldn't you want to subscribe? Like, come on now. You know you're going to be late each and every video, so stop playing. But that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. And let me know what you guys want to see next, so I can post a video for you guys. Somebody have recommended this eyebrow tutorial, so shout out to you. So thank you guys. Bundles that I got from AliExpress. If you guys want me to do a hair review on their hair, let me know. But I haven't installed it yet because I'm waiting, because I want to record it so you guys can see. This inch is 30 inches. It feels really nice. It smells really good. It didn't take that long. I ordered it like the 14th, and it arrived like the 28th or something like that. And I got this hair from off AliExpress. So let me know if you guys want me to do a hair review on this hair once I install the hair. It smells really nice. And this just the olive bindle. And last but not least, this is 26 inches. And the width is also really thick, and I like that part about it, because on the website it kind of looked like the width was like thin, so I was really skeptical about should I order it or not. But when it came, the width is pretty actually big. So I hope 3 bundles is enough. So if you guys want me to do a hair review once I install the hair, let me know down in the comments below, and I will give you guys a review on this hair. It don't really have a smell. It have a light smell to it, but nothing but a little washing and conditioner could, do. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do a hair review on this hair. And that's it. I don't want to hold you guys up further on in the video, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all finish off your day. This is a quick video of how I did my eyebrow tutorial. So let me know if you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it for this video.